Hi guys, in this video we are going to cover the rest of the part for the flight booking, and in this we are just capturing the mobile number and email, and then we are going to display the information which we have captured, right? So far we have done this many steps. Now what we are going to do is capture the mobile number and email, then display the price, right? So this will be a static price. I don't have any backend. And let's say if user say payment, right? Then we will transfer the call to the agent side, right? So that is what we are going to do. Uh, so this is our Amazon Connect, right? So over here, so far what we are doing is once user select anything, right? We are just playing out this one, right? So instead of that, what we will do, so let's skip it over there because we know those variables and that will come into the picture later on. Now what we have to capture is we will capture get customer input. We will ask for okay, so uh, please, so okay, user have selected all this thing to assist you with the booking. Please PLAC, please provide your 10-digit mobile number, right? Okay, so now what we will do, we will ask for the mobile number. We will point to the same bot that we have. And what I will do is just create another intent, ask mobile number. Okay. And it will be having its 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4. Okay. And this will be mobile. Oh, is it number? What is it? Phone number, sorry. And we will give number as mobile. Okay, and user can directly enter the number, right? 978 and na. And this is also a valid mobile number, right? And we'll click save. What else we required? We also required a email, right? So I will also create ask email, which will be nothing but my email address. Okay, so let's do this, and it will be email address. Okay, we can give it email as a name. Oopsie. And it's abc at yahoo.com. I don't know. So this will be also a email. Let's do email, and I think that is more than sufficient two training phrases, right? Okay, so now what we will do is click build, and what was the internet name? Ask mobile number. Okay, so let's go back over here, and we are asking the intent is this one. We get the value. Now, if you remember, this is the same task that we are doing, which we have done over here. So what I will do is copy this one, this one, this one, Control C and Control V. So if I put it over here, play prompt and disconnect a little bit side. And for default and for error, we are coming over here. For success and for failure, we are coming over here. For error, let me minimize. For error, or sorry, once the loop complete, we go over here. Okay, so this is all done. Then let me maximize. I can't read. Where it went. Okay, so once user say ask number, we will get that number, right? And we will say it as mobile number. No flush over that. And what is the slot name we have given? Mobile, mobile. Over here, mobile. Click save, right? And again, we have to capture email address, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will do paste, and this will come, let's say, over here. Okay, this will and this will go beside. And from here, this will ask, uh, we'll say, can't read. Okay, now it's better. I will say, thank you. Please provide your email address. Okay. And this is nothing but asking the same thing, but ask email is the intent name. We will give intent name as ask email, click save, and this will give us out the email, and intent name, slot name is email, right? So it's all same. Click save. So we have captured all the information which we required for to proceed with anything of this kind of a thing. Now what we will do is we will display the message like get customer. If we are doing get customer input, then why not do like, so what I will display is mm, 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 something like we already know the details, right? From FCT to SETI and all this thing, right? So what we will do is the total cost for flight from, uh, do you remember the attributes dot I think from city to, I think it was to city, uh, is dollar dollar, let's say 85.78 cents. Okay, I will include this, include the platform fee and XYZ, let's say. Okay, I'll say only platform fee. Okay, do you like to proceed for payment? So what we know that we already have a bot, we have this bot over here, and we have the bot with, oh no, yes and no, we'll have this one. I have to create another yes and no. Sorry guys, extremely sorry. So now since this two yes and no will trigger what do you say, this rich message, right? I don't want to use the same yes and no. So what I will do is I will call or create. Do you have another bot? Main menu intent. Yeah, this one have, but this one is also calling the same UI. Okay, so what we will do is we will create another bot, custom bot, name it yes and no. Okay, language is EN US, Sally.
Hello, my name is Sally.
Okay, no, no, and create. And what I will do is create intent yes underscore one. I don't have anything else. I will say just a yes over here, no fuss over here. Save intent, and I will create another intent called no underscore one. Okay, again it will have just a one training phrase. I will just add one for now. Click save intent and do a build. And meanwhile, when it is building, right? So we already know that it is yes underscore one, and sorry, no underscore one. Okay. So if user say yes, right? Why we have this one? Okay. So we need the plan. Just I will use this one. Cancel. You can go and go delete. What we said. Oh, sorry, not here. What we said over here is total cost for flight from this uh, for plan XY days is this much amount, and flight from city. I just have few doubt that do we have from city or for city? What was that? We did pass somewhere, right? Over here we passed from city. That is what we have given, right? From city, just making sure it is that. Okay, so let's say if user say yes, what we will do is we will transfer it to the agent, right? And since we already have created one of the where it went here, so already have created prompts and uh, what do you say this one transfer queue, right? So I will just do paste here and it will come over here. We already have this disconnect which will be used for disconnect. Okay, so what we will say, I can't read. Okay, so uh, I will connect you with an agent to help you with payment and booking the flight. Okay, agent, AGENT. Click save. So once you say no, right? If you say no, what we will do? Good question. If you just say no, I don't want to do booking, then I should transfer to. Uh, let's wrap up the call for now. So what we will do is we will display a prompt, something like this, because they have wasted so much time. We will say, no worries. Once you are ready for booking, please visit our website. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, dokie. So if you just say no, we are doing this and then we are disconnecting the call. Okay. And for error handling, we have that flow. Where is my error handler? One, two, copy, paste, come over here for error. Once it completed, we will connect it over there. Okay. Okay, so it is connected over there and just zoom it in. Oops, too much zoom. Okay, now what we'll do is where it went? Yeah, this one. So once. Okay, so once it give a retry, another one will give a retry and complete blah blah blah. Okay, I think we have done it. Is it? No, we have not done it. Why? So it is published. Now what we have to do is add this bot into the flow. So we will go to the flows and we'll add the Amazon Lex. Yes and no. Classic. Add Amazon Lex bot. Come over here and see if this one Amazon Lex have yes and no. Click save. Click publish. But it's failing somewhere. Where it's failing? Okay, so it's failing over here. Once it completes, it doesn't know also where to go. I will tell him to go to the place where you will display the message and say all good. Okay, so now it is published and let me log in as a agent also so that I can receive the call. So since I'm admin, I don't have to do anything else. Let's start the bot, right? And yeah, I think that is all the flow that we have, right? So I will say help, so get the menu. I will click book a flight. I will enter the details like Pune, Kolkata, Kolkata, and I'm planning to go today. Number of passenger one, I will say yes, and let's select the two. I will select the book flight saver, no money. Okay, so now it's asking for mobile number. So my mobile number 9898 9898. Oh, sorry. How many times we have to do? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. And what? Oh, it detected as a. Oh. Okay, the number and the this one is getting confused. Okay, no worries. What we will do is search for existing intent, ask mobile number, click it over here, click save. So you know what happened is over here, in that what I was saying. So what I was saying is what happened is when we enter the phone number, right? When it's asking for the phone number, where it is. Let me zoom in. Okay. So what is happening is once we are asking for the phone number and when user enter the phone number, it is recognized as a number by the another intent, right? We have another intent ask number, which is for the passengers, right? So that intent is getting triggered since both have numbers and mobile number and number both are same. It does not understand. So what we will do is since we have another bot, yes and no, right? So we will pull that ask number over here. That is done, right? Now what we will do is we will go to our RTM and remove the ask mobile number from here so that it does not get confused which one to call. So click build. Okay. And this is yes and no. Intent name remain the same. Click save. publish, right? So we have to just wait for this one to get built, since we have removed also, right? That ask mobile number. So it will be also removed. Okay, let's pause because anyway video goes so long. Okay, so now it has been built. Now what we will do is end the chat and we will do the testing again. Help, book a flight, Pune, Kolkata, today, number of passenger, let's go. I will say yes. Now I will select the flight number 3. I will say I will savor, no money, asking for mobile number 23455. I enter and thank you. Please provide your email address. I give something like that. Okay, so the total cost for the flight from Pune to Kolkata. Okay, so these are intent based. For plan saver is this much. Is it okay? Or I didn't ask yes or no. Okay, so do you want? Oh yeah, I asked. Na? Do you like to proceed for payment? Okay, just a question mark is missing. So let's ask the question mark. What happened? Mm, sorry. Do you like to proceed for payment? Save, publish. Okay, so once I say yes, right, I will be transferred to agent, right? So let me logged in. I logged in, right? Okay, I will make myself available. So once I make available, I can see that chat has come, right? So once I click accept over here, I can see the whole conversation history, right? And I will say hello, and I can see over here somebody with him this join. I will say hi. It will receive hi, right? I will say give money, and user will say take money, and all done. Okay, flight booking is done. All this thing is done. Let's end the chat, right? So once I do a end chat over here, you will see that chat has ended over here also. So close, all done. So this is almost we have completed the this part, right? Till this part. Now in the next video, what we are going to do is going to create, manage or handle the manage intent. And in that, once we ask this detail, we will go for edit or cancel, right? Cancel the flight and all this thing. Okay then. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.